Once inside the heat tunnel, the plastic wrap contracts rapidly, creating a secure, airtight package for the golden oil.
The raw seeds are fed into this massive rotating drum cleaner, which spins rapidly to separate them from
Here is the how it's made special.
Thank you. The factory truth one.
These sunflower seeds are rapidly piled into sacks before being transported to the factory, where they will be processed into cooking oil.
Delivering thousands of tons of sunflower seeds, this truck marks the start of the cooking oil refining process. Seeds tumble through vibrating screens for cooking oil factory truth.
The valve is fully open now. Pressure is stabilizing.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal for this stage of purification. Through intense heat and mechanical skimming, the dark sludge is removed, revealing the refined cooking oil.
The oil is swirled rapidly within these tanks, a crucial step in the purification process that removes impurities and
To achieve the golden clarity you expect, the crude oil is pumped through these pressurized filters, removing impurities and haze in a continuous flow.
This mesmerizing cascade of golden oil is the result of state-of-the-art filtration, ensuring a flawless... This is the secret behind the golden glow. The crude oil is rapidly transported through these... This is the truth of how it's made. The oil is stabilized in these chambers, precisely controlling the temperature to remove impurities.
Cooking oil is produced in a continuous flow, then rapidly moved to the high-speed bottling section, where dozens of ribbons pour simultaneously. Here in the refining stage, the crude amber oil is filtered until it achieves that consistent, brilliant light gold color you see on the shelves.
Endless. These massive stainless steel tanks hold thousands of gallons of refined cooking oil. The slow, powerful rotation ensures...
Next, the oil is pumped through the polishing filters at high speed. This is where the remaining particulates are captured.
The final texture of the oil becomes crystal clear. This is the cooking oil factory truth. Welcome to the cooking oil factory. See the truth of how it's made as high-speed streams of golden oil merge.
The cooking oil bottles move rapidly along the conveyor belt before reaching the labeling station. Here, a high...
This is the final stage. The pure golden oil glides through these sterilized steel pipelines before reaching the bottling facility.
This is the truth behind the clarity. The oil rests here in stabilization tanks, ensuring
As the final stage of refinement completes, the oil's brilliant clarity is locked in through our high-speed bottling process. The refined cooking oil is rapidly streamed into PET bottles. The machines can fill hundreds of bottles per minute before they are sealed.
A mechanical sorting gate rapidly aligns the bottles before they are tightly sealed in clear shrink wrap using a burst of heat.
Once inside the heat tunnel, the plastic wrap contracts rapidly, creating a secure, airtight package for the golden oil. Once bottled, the golden cooking oil is immediately transported by our fleet of high-tech forklifts to the aging racks before shipment. After extraction, the crude oil is refined and stored in these gleaming tanks before the final packaging stage. Every day, a convoy of these massive tankers carries millions of gallons of crude cooking oil along the highway to the refinery.
See how clean this oil is? That's the factory truth right there.
It really makes a difference. These look perfect.